Hi everyone, I'm Susan.
I'm Alicia.
And today we're going to be making Dolly Parton inspired multicolored butterfly bangle bracelets. So today we're going to be making these butterfly bangle bracelets. Dolly Parton inspired.
Yes.
I love Dolly Parton so
me too,
much.
me too.
And they're really easy, but we do need a few things here to get started. We're going to use, don't you agree, 14 gauge wire?
Yes.
14 gauge wire. We've got these little wire crimps, which are cool because you can make bangles with no solder.
That's awesome.
Awesome. We've got these cool multicolored large hole beads that will fit on. 2 butterflies, we'll have to fight over them. And then 2 tassels.
Tassels. Gotta have your tassels.
So cute.
Dolly loves tassels.
Of course she does. I mean,
She loves
she
everything
and I were
about
talking
me.
about it the other
I
day.
know.
You know, it was like a whole thing.
Sitting on her porch
Yeah,
drinking some tea.
rocking in the
She
rocking
said,
chair.
Get the tassels.
Make sure there's a tassel. Also, we're going to need this very large bracelet mandrel and
rawhide
hammer, as well as 2 tools. This is really all we need, right? The crimping tool and a flush cutter.
Yep.
I think we're good.
Easy,
We're good to go.
fast, and so fun.
Yes.
Dolly inspired.
I love it. So I had an idea the other day about making bangles, you know, the no solder bangles, but
Yes.
putting beads on them.
Yes.
And I saw these on your desk, these multicolored beads.
Aren't they fun?
Yeah, they're
love
so
those.
cool. They're large hold, and we're doing this Dolly Parton thing this week, you know.
Yes.
And you know how she loves multicolors. I'm
Yes,
thinking
she
of her
does.
coat of many colors,
Yes.
and then tassels and butterflies. It just
Yes.
all screams Dolly Parton. So why don't we make something inspired by Dolly and do these multicolored bangle
Let's do
bracelets?
it.
You want to?
I can't wait.
It'll be easy, don't you think?
Yes.
So I went ahead and cut one piece of this wire and I cut it about a little over 8.5 inches, about 8 5/8 inches, because the beads are going to take up some space, and so I'm feeling like we need it a little
some
bit
room.
longer to get
Yeah.
a medium-sized bangle. So we need 2 of those, and I'm just going to cut you another one, so we'll both have
Thanks.
one. You're welcome.
Thanks.
Well, we only have one cutter here, so I love Dolly Parton.
I do too.
I feel like I know her just because we live in East Tennessee.
I know.
Did you know I met her once?
Actually, I did.
Did I tell you that story?
I did,
It
but it's
was-
a pretty awesome story.
It's really not that awesome. But
She's here right now.
is she really?
I'm just kidding.
Oh, stop it. Hey, do you want to round yours on the mandrel
Sure.
there? So we're going to make them round because that's better.
I mean, bangles need to be round. It's part of a bangle.
I love how you have your initials on this mandrel.
Yeah,
Is this
'cause
so I don't
things-
take it?
Yeah, and she took it.
I didn't. Well, I did actually.
She
I brought this
did.
one here. This off your desk, this off your desk, this off your desk. I did bring the butterflies.
Okay,
Okay.
well, that's good that you brought the butterflies.
Perfect.
Look
It's like
at
perfection.
that. It is.
You do it different than me. I always take mine and wrap it around the smaller part to get that curve in the wire, and then bring it down.
Well, look at you. That's probably a better way to do it.
They're both perfect, so I think it's 2 good
I
ways.
mean,
That's
you
cool.
can-
You guys learned 2 ways to do it. I
Yes.
like it. All
There's
right.
2 different ways.
So now we've got these multicolored beads. Looks like we got plenty here. Which color do you want to go with? The purple, blue, green, and I'll
Sure.
go.
It's kind of our colors.
Yeah. We're just gonna string beads on here.
I like easy. You know,
As long as it turns out
always-
cute.
Yes,
Yeah.
but I feel like people try so hard on things that don't have to be that hard, you know, to make it cute.
Good.
Good.
Perfect. Left a little space for our crimp and our butterflies and our tassels. Oh, we need jump rings. Oh, we can put them right on the jump rings, don't you think? With
Yes.
for this. Oh, you're just gonna stick it right on?
Maybe. It might be fine. No, it needs a little dangle.
I want to have a little bit of movement. I'm gonna get, oh, look at this. I'm putting it right on my butterfly.
Oh, on your butterfly.
What do you think?
Sure.
So now I have a jump ring with a butterfly and a tassel. You wanna try? That's a crimper. That's kind of cool. It doubles as a chain nose plier. This is
That's
like one of those
pretty
all-in-one
awesome.
tools. You can use the chain nose plier and the crimper. Perfection. Love it. Oh, this is gonna be so cute. Ah,
So
I love it.
cute.
So adorbs. All right, now these crimp beads are really, really easy to use. All you have to do is put one on one side, making sure you don't go too far. I usually bring a Sharpie or some sort of permanent marker to make sure that I don't go too far, but I didn't bring one today. But what you want to do is, I'm actually going to kind of score it with this right here, so I make sure, because you got to make sure you get enough wire in each side of that crimp bead, and not too much in one side, too much in the other. Otherwise, it doesn't work. So
it'll come apart.
And then the key to doing this is getting the crimp into the crimping plier before you try to stick it on the wire. Otherwise, it gets hard to hold on to. So I'm going to hold it like this, and then I've got my little score mark. So I'll put this on like so, right up to that score mark, and I like to do it on the inside. Squeeze. Done. And then pop it on the other side. And get my little crimper in there. I love this Omtar crimper because it has two different spaces, one for big crimps and one for small crimps. And so I'm just going to take that, squeeze. I did mine upside down. I'm pretty sad about it, but it's okay. I wanted the crimp to be on the inside, not on the outside, but, well, I did it. But it looks cute anyway.
It's cute.
Oh, I love how the beads move, too. Look at that. That's so adorable.
It's so cute. Great for stacking.
Yes, perfect.
Dolly, do you approve?
Hope Dolly likes this.
Oh, gosh.
You know, I also actually made a bracelet for Dolly Parton way back in, like, early 2000s. I mean, she didn't commission it. One of her people came down and asked me to make a Swarovski crystal bangle or a bracelet for her. I wonder if she has it still. So cute. Oh look, I forgot a bead. Bummer. Ta-da!
Cute.
Let's put it next to mine.
I need to put mine on the mandrel again really fast.
Oh yeah, to kind of round it out a little.
Yeah, mine's a little squeezed a little hard. Oh, cute.
Really, really cute. Ooh, look. Add it to your stack.
Cute.
I love it.
I love it. So cute.
So that was a fun project.
That was so fun.
We didn't really work 9 to 5.
No.
It was really
Maybe
easy.
5 minutes.
Yeah, 5.
9 or 5 minutes.
Not 9 to 5. All right. Okay, so what you need some 14 gauge wire. It really does take a larger gauge wire to make this. This is a 2mm wire. It's perfect. We've got these little wire crimps, which are cool because you can make bangles with no solder.
That's awesome.
It's awesome. We've got these cool multicolored large hold beads that will fit on. 2 butterflies. We'll have to fight over them. And then 2 tassels.
Tassels. Gotta have your tassels.
So cute. We ended up using a flat nose plier along with our crimping plier because we needed to open some jump rings. So
yes.
Both of those, there's your crimping plier, there's your flat nose plier, and then you do need a flush cutter as well to cut the wire to length. And we cut ours about 8 5/8 inches, which made a nice medium-sized bangle.
I love it.
I love it too. It's so cute. And then finally, we had a bracelet mandrel fully marked with Alicia's name.
It's mine.
Because it's hers. And also, this is my rawhide mallet.
Yeah, I wondered if you got that from my desk too.
ST. Oh, here. Can you see?
Yeah, no.
That's everything you guys need to make these bangles. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys would like to pick up some supplies like the ones we worked with today, check out the links down below. What's your favorite Dolly Parton song? Let us know or sing it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell. And now that you know a little bit about making multicolored butterfly bangle bracelets, you can say,
I made this.